Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Holland wig by Estetica in the color R30 2826. If you missed my live stream where I unboxed these and gave my first impressions, I highly encourage that you watch that. It does look a smidge like COVID-19 hair, as in, it looks a little bit like I did this to myself. But I like that about it. I like that the girl that would wear this looks unpredictable, you know? She looks a little crazy, but like crazy hot, like she's gonna be really fun to hang out with. Like, isn't this the kind of cut that the girl from The Fifth Element had? Just a little bit. Maybe I'm misremembering that, but I like it. I like all these crazy shattered ends. I like the fringe. I like how short she is. I like the movement. I like to boogie on the disco round, yeah. I like all of that stuff. So let me show you what the cap on Holland looks like, and then we'll talk some more specs in a second. Now it is a dark and stormy night outside. So it is literally thunder. You can hear it. I'm keeping an eye on the weather really, but if you hear the thunder in the background, I think it just adds to the ambiance. If you can't tell, when I was a little kid, I wanted to live in the Addams Family mansion. Except, you know, it's like marry that with Kim Kardashian's closet and a gay nightclub, and then you've got the room behind me. So I digress. We've got a monofilament top. This is completely hand-tied. It is scratchy to the touch, so you may want to wear a wig liner. There's no lace front on Holland, but she does have a nice contoured under knotted front, and when I say under knotted, I mean these little bits here. You can kind of see how they're visibly threaded, almost like a cross stitch pattern here. That's really nice because it makes the transition from your hairline to the rest of the wig a little bit softer. But you'll still want to wear the bangs down on this one because no lace front. This is polyurethane. It will aid a little bit with grip. There's also a little bit of felt that lines the seam on the top near the crown of this particular wig. She's got an open nape with hook adjusters. If they come undone, this is short enough and the nape is short enough that you will want to put like a single stitch in there to kind of keep it in place once you find the right position in the back here for you comfortably. And if Estetica wigs fit you too big, and not like really you're swimming in it, but just slightly too big, no matter how much you adjust it, try crossing the adjusters in the back instead. You'll want to make sure you're not doing that too much because it can actually add bulk to the back of your wig, but see what I mean? You would basically undo both of these and just kind of crisscross them a little bit. Don't go too far over, because if you do that, you'll end up in a situation where it'll look like you're keeping a ponytail back behind your wig, and in a wig this short, that will also cause the wig to do one of these numbers. Whoa! Yeah, you don't want to do that. If you get that with your wigs, where they keep wanting to ride backwards, think about what's going on back here at your nape and not so much what's going on up here near the front, because chances are you're trying to conceal a little bit of extra bio hair back there and you're putting it in a ponytail or a bun. You want to get that as flat and as evenly distributed on the back of your head as possible, and same logic here. You want to make sure that if you crisscross these, you're not going to extreme measures to do so, because it'll add bulk and your wig will ride back. So just know that Estetica wigs, as adorable as they are, fit big. They're average large by default, because this was a company founded by the same company that founded Vivica Fox wigs. It's just kind of like their medical Caucasian brand offshoot of that. So they're gonna fit big, and the fit is incredibly similar to what you'll find in the Vivica Fox line. I love this wig. She fits really generously, as most Estetica wigs tend to do. You know, she doesn't have the most realistic front hairline because she's not a lace front wig. You can actually see the seam there where that poly is, but she's got fringe. She's not meant to be worn off the face. So don't buy this one thinking you're gonna wear a headband. There's no lace front under here, and that's just gonna look a fright. But this is super cute. It's just like super cute. Again, it's like kind of crazy hot girl hair, sci-fi adventure girl hair. I'm here for it. I like this color too. And here's what the top of this looks like. It is a monofilament top. So this has really nice natural density, and there is just a smidge of permatease back here at the crown, which I mentioned in my live stream, which again, I sort of encourage you to watch if you haven't already. This is definitely not meant for people who like sleek, straight hair. It's cute, it's playful, it's intentionally kind of messy, but in a really, really good way. So I like this, particularly if this is for a member of the big-headed tribe. It's got the CysterWigs big head seal of approval. So buy this one with my blessing. It's very, very comfortable on. And who am I? I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs. I own a wig store and I demo makeup and I play around here on the YouTubes and make a fool of myself for your enjoyment. If you like that sort of thing, consider being a patron. Thank you to AKGG and all of my patrons on Patreon. You guys really make me feel encouraged to keep doing this, and I appreciate you for that. I appreciate my husband for helping me put all these wigs back in their boxes when I'm done, and he helps clean my makeup brushes, and he provides excellent voiceover and moderation when I'm making videos and live streams. So awesome. And that's about it from me for now. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have fun buying hair, stay safe, stay healthy, stay sane, and have a great night. Bye-bye.